Yagni benta jongga kubor la 1 daga fatafat online shopping store.
Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi ukotong jag NPP kemala kemilti neruka basdang. Ulayo ya kajing job kom UMP bathamai jong kejanla chapo Raja Sabha. Hakajing tabut kwalong mutagasngi bat hakabala nyoru ya kibut u Dr. Kharlukhi ulayo live khundai kat ba uba kedi dikharim pat uyo kat khandai. Anike ka phala kalong ba u Dr. Kharlukhi ulayo duna shibut nomor kawai kabut kalong invalid lani omsham lakheng. Kat ba kedi dikharim kotong jagaseng kongres ulayo barok khandai bot kabamut nagi khandai ngot kiamani jagaseng kongres.
Can you just open
your mouth?
Okay, yeah, like that. I got 39 and one rejected. But Kennedy got 19. It's mine, but I think wrong mark. This is my first time as a person in governmental politics. I have been in electoral politics and for so many years, but in governmental politics, let me be very frank with you, I have to learn the process, and I find myself, I don't know, I may be wrong this time. I'm a good learner in any field that I was, so I do expect that I will not let my state down.